friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. And continuing with the craft supplies organization series, today I am going to show you how I store charms, wooden chips, pegs, etc. in one of my compartments of the IKEA Kallax cabinet. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch how I organize these type of supplies. Well, I am going to show you how I organize my charms and clips. So we're gonna take a look at what's inside that cubie. Again, this is my Kallax IKEA cabinet. And let's go ahead and take a look real quick into that cubie. So first, I got these at Target. So these are kind of like labels. I want to call it like acrylic labels. And then I use I'm going to show you what I use. I use these labor letra tag Dymo, and that's what I use to label all my, you can tell, right? I like to label everything because it's easier for me to find and I don't have to rely on memory which is a good thing. So let's go ahead and take a look at what is inside. You see how easy it is for me. These cubes, they're also, I believe these are from Target, but you can get so much stuff in these cubes. I mean, it's even better than having the doors. So I am just gonna go ahead and take all the containers. So these are all my containers that are labeled, and let's start with this tiny little one. So these are all my spring charms. I'm gonna come closer and I have spring and bunnies, and of course I'm having a hard time doing this with one hand. So I'm gonna do the two hands thing. So these are all my spring themed charms and resin pieces. Then I have this other one, flowers, Cabachons charms, another tiny little one, Valentine resins, heart charms. This one, it's just unicorn, rainbows, candies, coffees. Then this metal one, it has all kind of miscellaneous metal charms, everything categorized so it's easy to find them. And then here, the big one, metal clips, pins, pendants. So again, easy to find, categorize. This other container is wooden pegs, all colors. So I'm gonna put these two inside. This is a new container that I included, and it has all my Studio Calico clips, metal clips, caps, keys, miscellaneous. Then here I have all these paper clips and pins, and as you can see, everything is in even separated, right? So it's not like a whole splash of things, right? Everything. So if I'm looking for a red clip, gigantic clip, if I'm looking for pins, you know, all kinds of things, it's just easy for me to just grab the container, has the label, and look for things. So I'm not hunting and spending hours digging and finding out what I have, right? This one, I has the top, it's metal frames, legs, brats, and the bottom one, it's metal clips, magnets, and alpha. So it's just self-explanatory. And my other one, it has, the top has wooden chips and the bottom one has brats. So even on the wooden chips, let me show you, because I put everything in little plastic bags so it's easy for me to look. Oh, I'm looking for Christmas. Okay, these are my Christmas wooden chips. So yeah, so now let's go ahead and put these two inside this one. Now this other one here. And you see that I still have space over here, so that's where I am going to put my tiny little ones. Space. You see them? So this one, I don't need it anymore, but I might be using this for something else, so I'm keeping it. And yeah, so this is how I organize all the charms and clips and pins and wooden chips in these cubie from my IKEA Calyx. And thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.